was so excited to share with you my latest watercolour piece, Little Houses. For this piece, I began with an outline sketch in pencil. I then chose a restricted palette of Greenish Umber, Burnt Umber, Raw Sienna and Yellow Ochre, which I blended in my ceramic palette. Each house came to life with pale washes, and each surface was given an extra dab of water or blotted with a dry tissue to create interesting textures. I purposely left gaps between the forms to prevent the wet colours from merging, simultaneously creating spaces for white marker lines to add definition. I enjoyed mixing the colours I had chosen and was pleased that the colours complemented each other and gave a warm, uplifting feel to the picture. Once the initial washes dried, I embraced the wet on dry technique to add details to the buildings and a few subtle touches of gold metallic paint to some of the windows here and there. I then created a dramatic sky and finally let the piece dry completely before adding lively markings with fine white and grey marker pens. Each phase of Little Houses tells a story, not just of the charming little houses, but also of the creative process itself. A journey marked by both deliberate choices and moments of delightful doodling.